Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve this expression when 27 power x minus 3 power x divided by 9 power x minus 3 power x is equals to 82 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video. So 27 power x, I'll write it in this corner and solve it first. So 27, I can break it as 3 times 9 and whole power is x. Or I can write it as 3 power x times 9 power x. So I will write it down here in place of 27 power x. 3 power x times 9 power x minus 3 power x. Now comes to denominator. In denominator, I can write 9 power x as 3 times 3 whole power x or 3 power x times 3 power x. So I'll replace 9 power x with 3 power x times 3 power x minus 3 power x is equals to 82. In the numerator, I can take common as 3 power x. So what is left? 9 power x minus 1. Over, I can take again 3 power x common from the denominator. So what is left? 3 power x minus 1 is equals to 82. Now I'll take things here. So we have in the numerator as 9 power x minus 1. So I can write 9 power x 3 square and whole power x minus 1. So we have property. So we can reverse this. We can write it as 3 power x whole square minus 1. So here I can write it as 3 power x whole square minus 1 square because 1 square is 1. So we have formula that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So here 3 power x is a and 1 is b. So I can write it as 3 power x plus 1 or 3 power x minus 1. So in place of 9 power x minus 1, I can write it as, or we eliminate the 3 power x with 3 power x and write it as 3 power x plus 1 and in the other bracket 3 power x minus 1 over 3 power x minus 1 is equals to 82. Now we can eliminate this by this. So what is left? 3 power x plus 1 is equals to 82. Here, 1 with addition sign when goes to other side is subtraction. So 82 minus 1 is 85. Now, the other side, the left hand side is in power of 3. Now, we can convert the 81 as 3 power 4. Now, if the bases are same, equal to each other, that means their power are also equal to each other. So, the value of x is 4. I hope it's easy to solve and understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.